what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my July kit lineup and I'm very excited for this lineup. I posted on the stories a couple days ago that I was like not going rogue and that I was like behaving for once this month, and like I was just looking through my lineup again before turning my camera on like 3 seconds ago, and y'all, I'm sorry, but that was a full ass lie. Just a lie from the pit of hell, because I'm absolutely going rogue. Like I don't know why I thought I wasn't acting up this month. But yeah, I'm very excited about these spreads. Let me zoom you in a bit here. It should be a fun month. So yeah, very excited. So for the week of July 3rd through the 9th, I'm using the May 2023 mystery from Pink Diamond PlannerCo, and it's called Friendcation. And I don't know why, this just... Soda Pop has entered the chat. Okay, I don't know why, but this just screamed 4th of July to me, like alternative 4th of July. I don't know if it's just like the nice bold blues in this kit, but I thought it was like perfect for that. So we've got a lot going on here. So first, for the bundle, we have the, let me pull these underlays out because I will not need them for this. So we've got the SPC, I want to say tropical bundle in silver. That's going to be my core foil for this kit, because I feel like I haven't used silver in so long, and I just think it's gonna pop so nicely with the blues in this kit. And then okay, so underlay wise, this is just like a straight up mirror. Like this is just unreal. Okay, so I'm gonna be layering the thick pinstripe underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in blue glitter, and I feel like the little pop of silver just peeking through is gonna look so freaking cute. And I know this like blue is a little bit bright for the blue in this kit, but like y'all know I gotta have a little pizzazz, a little razzle dazzle. So yeah, I think that is gonna be a fun spread. So that was the week of July 3rd through the 9th. So then for the week of July 10th through the 16th, I'm using Skater Girl by SPC. This is the week that we are going to the Yellow Card 20th, I think, anniversary tour. And I'm so stoked. It's gonna be such a good time. And this art just felt like the right move for that week. So my foil choices are a little sus for this kit, but I feel like it'll be cute, hopefully. So I'm just using a combo of like 50 different colors. So we'll see how that goes. But first, I got the PlannerChoco skater foil in mint, because there's like a lot of mint running through the kit, and it's one of the colors. I feel like it doesn't pick up super well on camera, but that mint is a pretty close match to the green in the kit. So I just felt like that was kind of like a fun, unexpected foil to bring in. And then, okay, if you watched my last haul, you know, like the whole crisis I was having with the underlay situation and like what colors I was gonna use. And I was swatching my blue foils out the other day, and I realized I had this like powdery blue that matched, or like, I don't know if like matched is the right word, but I feel like it has the same vibe as Plannahana's light purple, where they're both kind of like satiny, kind of like in the same tone. I don't know, but I just felt like those looked really pretty together, and that they would both look really pretty with this art. So that's that. And then I'm going to be layering those over Pink Hollow. So excited to see how that one turns out. Next, we have the week of July 17th through the 23rd, which is, of course, Barbie week. So, of course, I'm using Life in Plastic by SPC, and this art is just top tier, 10 out of 10, perfection. Like, it's just, it's so freaking good. Like, Jess just really outdid herself with this art. Like, I'm obsessed, and I'm so stoked to finally be able to get to use it. I'm just so stoked for this foil combo. I've been like talking about it and thinking about it since this art came out. Like, it's been in my little pea brain for like over a year. Like, I'm pretty sure I was even talking about it when I originally hauled this kit. Jenjoy Plans used this kit a couple months ago and used Blue Hollow with it, and it ended up being so freaking cute. So that helped like validate this foil combo in my mind a bit. So that makes me feel a little better, but this is one of those things that I've just been thinking about for so long that I'm gonna be like crushed if the end game does not match the vision. Like, I won't know what to do with myself. But anyway, sorry about that very long-winded tangent, just to say that I'm using a combo of lemongrass and Blue Hollow. So I'm using the, oh dang, I cut these off. Okay, the girly underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in lemongrass. I thought, oh, Jenjoy Plans also used these in Blue Hollow when she did her spread, and I thought it was really cute, so I kind of just copied that idea from her. But I just feel like this is such a cutesy pattern that like fits the vibe without it being too themey. So that's why I picked these. But yeah, I do have a code with PlanWithMeStickers, so you can use Domi15 to save and get my freebie. And then I have the Alicia Craft doll bundle in Blue Hollow. So yeah, I just think the blue and the lemongrass is just gonna be such a vibe with this kit. So we'll see how that goes. I think I'm gonna put down the bases again at the end of this video because y'all seemed to really enjoy that last month. So I think that's gonna be something that I implement going forward. So we'll see in a couple minutes how that base looks. For the week of July 24th through the 30th, I'm using Retro Miami by SPC. I just love this kit so much. The colors are just so bright and fun, and that pop of black, ugh, I love it. So I got the PlannerChoco Beachy foil in Sparkly Hot Pink, and I'm pretty sure I talked about this in my haul as well. I don't know like how good this is all gonna look together because I kind of like went rogue as I was about to check out and switched the magenta hollow that I had planned for sparkly like hot pink, sparkly magenta. So I don't know how good that's gonna look, but I still have faith. And then for the underlays, I have just Black Bougie from SPC that I'm going to layer under the retro underlays from Planet Hannah that I foiled in this like really pretty seafoamy color, which I think is like technically called Lagoon Blue. So yeah, that is everything for this lineup. I'm going to lay the bases down and BRB. All right, gang, it is a couple hours later and I'm back with all of the bases laid out, and I'm obsessed with every single one of them. Not to be dramatic, but I feel like I really popped off this month, and it's some of my best work yet. But yeah, this is my like 4th of July spread, and it's just, it's so beautiful. It's a lot on camera. I mean, it's a lot in person too, but like I feel like it doesn't translate super well on camera. I feel like with the glitter, it doesn't really look like pinstripes on camera, but you can definitely tell in person. Hopefully, maybe you can see that a little better there. And I feel like the silver just pops so beautifully on all of the blues. Ugh, I just think it's so, so pretty. And then, oh my God, you guys, the Skater Girl base. Like, I want to cry. This is just everything that I wanted this to be. Like, it is just so pretty in person. Hopefully, like, it's picking up well on camera. I think the mint is so pretty. I don't know. I know the mint is definitely not translating very well on camera, but like in person, when it catches the light right, it's just so pretty. And I feel like the pink hollow with the blue and purple is just, it's giving exactly what I was hoping it would. And then we have the Barbie base, which just, I'm so happy with the way it turned out. It's just everything that I hoped it would be. And I just think it's so freaking cute. And like lemongrass with blue hollow is just such a good combo. Like you truly cannot go wrong. But yeah, I'm just obsessed. Cannot wait to see this full spread laid out. I think I'm gonna do lemongrass scripts with this just to pull more of that in. I cannot wait. It's so freaking cute. Like, if you have not used this kit yet, or if you're like questioning the foil, just trust me, do lemongrass and blue hollow. And then we have Retro Miami, which I was a little sus on because of the whole accidentally going rogue with my foil color at the last minute thing. But I think the magenta glitter like actually looks pretty cute. I think the magenta hollow probably would have still been cuter, but I'm not mad at this at all. I think it's still pretty cute. So yeah, that is everything for my July lineup. Thank you so much for watching. As always, all of these shops and my Instagram will be linked and tagged below. And yeah, thanks again for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you in the next one. Later days.